Hi, everyone. My name is Heron, and I'm a student recruiter for College of Natural and Applied Sciences. Today, I'm very excited to talk to you about the Faculty of Agricultural, Life, and Environmental Sciences, which I'll be referring to Faculty of AILS for short. I want to start out by saying that the University of Alberta acknowledges that we're located on Treaty 6 territory and respects the histories, languages, and cultures of First Nations, Métis, Inuit, and all First Peoples of Canada, whose presence continues to enrich our vibrant community. The University of Alberta is known to be the top 5 university in Canada. And I would like to emphasize that in the past few years, UofA has been placed in the top 100 for its quality of agriculture, forestry, and environmental sciences subjects in the world. AILS is known to have smaller and student-focused programs. Our student population averages around 1,500 students, meaning that your interaction with professors and advisors are individualized and focused to your needs. You will build a strong network of people before university of graduation. Also, AILS student clubs are very active and close-knit community on campus. You can meet like-minded people by joining one of our many clubs: Pre-Vet Club, Forest Society, and Egg Club. Did you know that the Egg Club organizes one of the biggest annual cabaret called Bar None? This week-long event is filled with food, night out, dance, activities to promote agriculture on campus. Also, we have one of the largest pools of scholarships and awards on campus. We have over 300 awards worth more than $700,000 available to just our 1,500 students, which means that you have a higher chance of getting a scholarship by studying at AILS. Within the Faculty of AILS, there are research centers and facilities available for undergraduate students to pursue their passion in studying further within agriculture, environment, and textiles. For example, UofA has a Dairy Research and Technology Center that looks at how to enhance and enrich the nutritional quality of milk. Fun fact, this is a fully functioning dairy barn with 150 Holstein cows, so you could be drinking UofA milk. We offer hands-on and applied degree programs targeted at helping students to be competitive in the workforce when they graduate. AILS internship program provides an opportunity for all AILS students to apply knowledge gained in academic studies to the workplace through a full-time, paid 4, 8, 12, or 16 months internship experience. The majority of our students are in their 3rd or 4th year when heading out for an internship. It has been recently combined with Science Internship Program in the Faculty of Science, which expands the number of internships available to AILS students. During previous years, our students had the opportunity to build meal plans for astronauts with the NASA Food Science team. The mini internship program matches students with the community-based farm or local farmers for a 3-day workplace visit over Reading Week. The program runs twice a year during both fall and winter reading weeks. During this time, students have the opportunity to observe, ask questions, and get their hands dirty. Due to COVID-19, we have transitioned briefly to virtual mini internship opportunities instead, where we invite professionals all over the globe to share their knowledge and studies in agriculture, life, and environmental sciences. ENCS, which is Environmental Conservation Sciences, and Forestry program, also includes field schools to improve students' learning through hands-on experience. This is being restructured for fall 2022. During first year, students will go on a 6-day field trip to travel across Western Alberta, including Hinton, Grand Prairie, and Whitecourt. There are 2 more field schools during senior years, and another exciting news is that field schools costs will be covered by the industry endowment. The human ecology practicum is equivalent to 2 university courses, so 6 credits, and offers students the opportunity to work for 200 hours hands-on work experience. Students have completed their practicums at places like Dogs with Wings, Alberta Milk, the Bay, and many more. Students in any business management program can also access School of Business Co-op program as well. Many of our graduates obtain employment prior to graduation due to the huge demand in the field, usually through the relationship built within classrooms and work placements. Now, are you interested in going to France to study fashion and culinary arts? Or to Netherlands to research animal breeding? Or to Wales to study forestry and environment? There are many opportunities available where you can travel and expand your knowledge in agriculture, life, and environmental sciences. For example, the AILS 391 course is a one-week Mexico tour program to explore Mexican agriculture and different food production systems. Now let's get right into the programs offered in the Faculty of AILS. Majority of our programs are offered as a Bachelor of Science, and as you can see, we have many unique programs available, with many exclusively offered only within Faculty of AILS in Alberta. Other than general programs, we offer business management programs in partnership with UofA School of Business, and a couple more unique programs through the partnership with Faculty of Arts and the Faculty of Native Studies. Agriculture is the second largest industry in Alberta and is fast-paced and high-tech. The field of agriculture includes everything from plant biology, soil health, animal nutrition requirements, and more. Students in this program often have their summer jobs lined up by the end of October because there is so much demand for expertise in this field. And the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture is only offered at Faculty of AILS within Alberta. There are 4 majors to choose from: crop science, animal science, which is also a pre-veterinary program. There's sustainable agricultural systems and agricultural resource economics. As part of the hands-on experience within the program, students are able to access AILS internship and mini internship program. The agriculture job outlook is excellent, especially in the agronomy industry. Alberta has a large agricultural land base, with all the farmers or producers in the industry needing information on land management. This includes a lot of marketing and sales positions related to providing recommendations for fertilizers, seeds, pests, and harvest. In addition to the sales sides of the industry, there's also a lot of opportunity in the research and development sector, as agriculture is always developing new products and techniques. For example, developing new seed varieties for disease resistance. The Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Food Sciences offers a diverse education in human nutrition and food sciences in the areas of microbiology, engineering of technical processes used in preservation and distribution of food products. So what's the difference between nutrition and food science? Nutrition is more about how the food you eat is processed in the body and what happens after in terms of chemical reactions and how it relates to fitness and health. Meanwhile, food science is about the food itself. Food scientists focus on the product development, quality assurance, and safety. If you think of every item on the store shelf, it is very likely a food scientist was involved in its creation. Majors that we offer are the Nutrition and Food Science General Program, Food Science and Technology Specialization, Dietetics Specialization, Honors in Food Science, and Honors in Nutrition. Did you know that our major in Dietetics Specialization is the only program in Alberta to be accredited by the Alberta College of Dietitians? This is a professional program, so you will need to do a pre-professional year to meet this course requirements before you apply. A lot of our students choose to take nutrition and food science general program in their first year, then apply into dietetic specialization during their second year because the general program meets most of the admissions requirements. Dietetics internship is offered as part of the program to gain work experience through Alberta Health Services. Next, we have the Bachelor of Science in Animal Health. This program has 2 majors. The first is companion and performance animals. This major really focuses on the human-animal bond. In addition to learning all about companion animal physiology, like cats, dogs, horses primarily, students will also take courses related to animal welfare, behavior, and nutrition. Learn from real case studies of sport animals, animal-assisted therapy, and animals who serve to improve the well-being of individuals. Our second major is food animals. This is a fairly specialized major with a very strong scientific focus related to animal biological systems and health targeted at ensuring a healthy animal food supply. Popular courses include veterinary immunology and animal metabolism. Both of these majors meet the prerequisite course requirements to apply to veterinary school at University of Calgary. Each year, we see around 20 of our students accepted to the vet school. We have also had students admitted to the University of Saskatchewan, Glasgow, Edinburgh, and a few Australian schools. For specific vet school questions, students are encouraged to contact the veterinary schools directly for further information. In the Bachelor of Science in Environmental and Conservation Sciences program, you'll explore how interaction between science, society, and the economic influences the environmental management decisions. Rather, you want to work protecting plants or animal species, develop a better understanding of how our policies affect environmental management, or reclaim disturbed sites from pipelines or oil field activity. This program offers opportunities for everyone. The majors offered are conservation biology, land reclamation, environmental economics and policy, human dimensions of environmental management, and wildlife and rangeland management. In addition to the majors listed, you can also apply to the Northern Systems major and complete a majority of your degree in Whitehorse, Yukon Territory. There's also a combined degree option with a Bachelor of Arts in Native Studies, where in 5 years, you can obtain 2 degrees. You can learn about how Aboriginal history, politics, and cultural values influence natural resource management, while promoting stewardship of Aboriginal lands within the context of government policies and industrial development. You can gain work experience through AIL's internship program and field schools. Many ANCS graduates tend to find work at all levels of government, municipal, provincial, and federal. These type of positions range from conservation officers to wildlife managers. We have Bachelor of Arts in Environmental Studies program for those who want more flexible choices related to environment and arts. It is focused in the scientific, cultural, and social dimensions of environmental issues. As the subject matter transcends the boundaries of any single discipline or faculty, this is offered through a collaborative program that draws on the Faculty of Native Studies and Science. It offers 3 concentrations: Environment and Peoples of Canada, Food and Society, and Politics, Society, and the Global Environment. In terms of careers, graduates have worked on projects related to solar energy, policy development, and public education. Many of you might wonder what human ecology is. Human ecology is the study of human life and activity in different ecosystems and cultures in present and past. Our Bachelor of Science in Human Ecology program offers a multidisciplinary field that uses a holistic approach to solve human problems and to enhance human potentials in all environments where people live and work, like the social, natural, cultural, political, and material. The clothing and textiles major focuses on our closest environment, the clothes we wear every day. This can be anything from the protective clothing firefighters wear to the comfort and styling of the highest end labels. Family Sciences major examines family and community well-being and offers courses related to program planning, interviewing, and counseling, child development, and intimate relationships. 200-hour practicum placement for credits is incorporated in this degree. This will help you pursue a designation as a professional human ecologist. There are vast amount of employment opportunities available through family science or clothing, textiles, and material culture majors, from working as a family support worker to becoming a museum curator. The choice is yours. Have you heard of mountain pine beetles, or remember the Fort McMurray wildfire a few years ago? Graduates of the Bachelor of Science in Forestry or Forest Business Management work towards reducing the effects and risks of these types of situations. Forestry focuses on the protection and the use of forested areas while ensuring its sustainability as well as social and cultural needs are met. Whereas forest business management also covers business aspects within the forestry management, such as finance, marketing, and accounting. Both programs offer AILS internship opportunities as well as field schools. Students in the Forest Business Management program can also access School of Business Co-op program. Job opportunities in forestry are surprisingly hot right now, especially as a registered professional foresters. With much of the current professional forestry workforce retiring in the next 10 years, it is projected that forestry graduates can be making salaries upward of 100K within 10 years of graduation. Through the Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Food Business Management, you can gain the best of agriculture or food and business. In addition to your agriculture or food courses, you will also take a variety of business courses, including finance, accounting, strategic management, and marketing. You can choose to either major in agricultural business management or food business management. You can also choose to become a professional agrologist with this degree, as well as access careers within the business sector, such as becoming a marketing development specialist, agri-food sales and a marketing manager, and etc. The Bachelor of Science in Fashion Business Management is one of our newest programs at the Faculty of AILS. The program focuses on gaining a deeper understanding of theoretical, practical, and ethical processes involved in textile, clothing design, production, distribution, and consumption to prepare for management career in the fashion industry. Students of this program gain special access to Anne Lambert Clothing and Textile Collection, which is one of the country's leading collections of fashion and textiles, housing more than 23,000 garments and accessories. Here you can find examples of quilting, study pockets of Victorian era clothing, and find samples for your research projects. Many of our graduates have transitioned into fashion marketing, owning their own business while incorporating clothing design or entering into the larger fashion industry. The Faculty of AILS is very unique in that most programs often lead the students to apply for professional accreditation upon graduation. Our course materials and work experience opportunities meet the majority of the requirements, making the accreditation process much smoother. Many of our students use their bachelor's degree to apply for professional agrologist, professional biologist, certified fisheries professional, registered professional forester, food technician, technologist, a registered dietitian, professional human ecologist, a veterinarian in the future, and also graduate studies to pursue their passion and interest within our graduate departments. Please note that we offer pre-veterinary program to assist in admission into the veterinary school. Many of these professional accreditation lead to six-figure salary in the long term. Most of the programs at AILS share the same high school course admissions requirement. So we have English 30-1, Chemistry 30, Biology 30, Mathematics 30-1, and one other grade 12 course. Whereas fashion business management, human ecology, and environmental studies have slightly different high school course admissions requirements. So I would highly recommend checking out online at uab.ca/programs. Please ensure that you have met the English language proficiency requirement. If you have completed at least 3 years of full-time education or equivalent in English in Canada or another country where primary language of instruction is English, excluding ESL, you will meet the ELP requirement automatically. We encourage you to apply early as admission is competitive, works on a rolling basis, and space in each program is limited. If you'd like to learn more about the community, student life, the vibe, visit uab.ca/buddy to connect with our current students. We invite you to connect with us again by checking out our virtual view book, scheduling a virtual advising session, or learning more at one of our upcoming recruitment events. When you're ready to apply, head over to uab.ca/apply to start your application. Our application opens from October 1st till March 1st. Please apply early as admissions are competitive. You can learn more about the Faculty of AILS at uab.ca/AILS. For any questions that you may have, please email us at ails.recruiting@ualberta.ca. Thank you.